Hello everyone, welcome to Amiens in northern France. A wonderful city with lots to see and lots to do. I would recommend it certainly for a weekend. There's lots of sights, old buildings, new buildings. There you can see one of the modern towers, and at night that lights up. If you enjoy music, this is the place. And now for something different. The Chemin de Fer de la Baie de Somme Railway. Hope I've pronounced it correctly. Built in 1837, it connects the town or the station of Gare du Crétoy and takes you through to St Valery on the coast. Currently they operate 6 old locomotives and 1 modern diesel. Here you can see the one that drew our train. It's backing up onto it now. Steady. Don't want to smash into it. Excellent, look at that, so gentle. And soon we're on our way. Puffing away through the fields, pastures, past lakes with wildlife on it. Wonderful scenery. Obviously the cows don't like us and are running away, but never mind. As we come into Noil-sur-Mar, we see one of the trains coming in from St Valery. The old carriages built in the 1800s. Pristine condition. Wooden seats which probably aren't the most comfortable, we don't expect them to be. And there you can see the modern diesel engine. It's at this station that the trains change ends. You can see the diesel coming down here, going on to his train, and very soon we're on our way again, heading towards Valery, which is a wonderful little port. And here at the end the locomotive has to go on a turntable to take the train back. Well, unfortunately my weekend comes to an end very quickly, and so it's goodbye Calais, goodbye northern France, but here's to the next time.